Did you know that Gmail can automatically translate your message if it doesn't match your preferred settings? Say you're using English as your language, and then you receive a message in French. What do you do then? So click the message to open it. You'll find that you have a prompt here which says translate to English. You also have another area that you can go to where it says more. You click on that, and there's also a translate section there. So what you do after that is then click translate. You'll see that it's translating here. It's now translated from French to English. Now you can actually read your message in English and then reply to that person. When it reaches them as well, they can also use the translate function to read your message in French. So that's how we use the translate function in Gmail.